Hi, thanks for watching this video on how to use the SEO plugin to better your search engine rankings for your website. I'm going to start at my account at myocc.ourchurch.com, and I'm going to select this site as a test. I'm going to click on the WP Easy Admin button. On the left-hand side, you're going to see a red border, and we're going to go to Pages, followed by All Pages. And we're going to find a page where we want to add a keyword and description. When we get towards the page that we want to add the keywords, we're going to click on the Edit link, or you could click on the title of the page. And you will see a screen similar to this. You're going to scroll down and see a Yoast SEO section, and you'll see SEO tab and a Readability tab. We're going to focus on the SEO tab. So here is where you need to put a focus key phrase. This page is called Cleaning and Organizing, so I'm going to put this focus key phrase in this section. And now you can see that I have a medium smile on the SEO section. And then you're going to scroll down, and here is my title of the page and then the website name. And here is a section for a meta description. This is what you usually see when you do a search. And we were going to type in ourchurch.com. This is the address bar for those who do not know, and this is the search bar. So we're going to scroll down, and you'll see here that here is the ourchurch.com domain name. Here is the title of the ourchurch.com website. And underneath that is the meta description, which is 1 to 2 sentences about the page that you would be clicking on to see if you are going to be interested in what is on this website. So you're going to scroll down, and I've already selected or typed out a description for my page. So I have my keyword cleaning and organizing in the description. And now you can see I have a smiley face in the SEO section. Now that I am done, I'm going to click on Update, and that is now saved. You can also look down, and there's an SEO analysis, and it will give you some other key tips on how to make your SEO section better. The SEO feature plugin will help your rankings, but should you want to improve your search rankings and optimize your site, ourchurch.com has more services. Simply go to ourchurch.com's website, click on the SEO option, scroll down the page, and you can fill out the free consultation form. A representative from our marketing department will call you or email you in regards to any services that we can provide for you. Thank you for watching this video.